On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2022 Zinger 270BH by Crossroads RV. This single slide-out travel trailer features a simple and functional design perfect for that family needing a lightweight camping option. Step inside and enjoy the simple and open design. The kitchen has an L-shaped counter area. There is a microwave with a vented 3-burner range below. And the refrigerator is next to a large well-lit pantry closet. Under the flush countertop covers is a stainless steel double sink with a high-rise faucet, plus there's plenty of storage cabinets below the counter. The kitchen and living area are combined and feature ample floor space with the large slide-out fully extended. Inside is an oasis of comfort that is your home away from home, filled with plenty of features to make each trip enjoyable. The bunkhouse at the rear offers great sleeping accommodations for family or guests. And the door to the left opens to the bathroom at the back of this travel trailer. Inside, you'll find a corner mirrored medicine cabinet with sink and multiple linen cabinets below. The step-in shower is spacious and has a curved track shower curtain. If you're in need of additional sleeping options, then both the booth dinette and jackknife sofa can be converted into beds. Just past the entertainment center is the door to the private front bedroom. This space has 2 mirrored wardrobe closets overhead and a queen-size bed for a quiet retreat where you can rest up for another fun-filled day of adventure. We have hundreds of quality, pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.